Hi everyone, it's Amanda, and I am here to draw the winner for the Classic Christmas paper pack by Simple Stories. So I've got all the entries inside this little box, and I'm just going to draw a name. Okay. It is LZ. That's it. LZ. So LZ, please contact me to the email address listed below, and I will ship out your Classic Christmas Simple Stories paper pack ASAP. Thanks a lot, guys, and congratulations, LZ. Stay in my hand, and please look forward to another giveaway very soon. I have lots of ideas coming up. So thanks a lot, guys, and I will talk to you later. Bye-bye.